Hello everyone, am I audible? There was some issue, I suppose that's the reason we are doing it again. There was some issue with the internet. So, am I audible? Please reply. Okay, so we begin with this once again. Okay, so the first question, please look on the screen because this both can't come together with a question. So, please look on the screen very properly so that you can answer me perfectly. So this is question number 1. Identify the symbol besides 219. And your options are, you want to see the picture again? First, a prominent surveyed tree. B, a prominent surveyed tree at a height of 219 meters above the mean sea level. C, a prominent surveyed tree of 219 meters. D, a surveyed tree. And the correct answer for this question is it's a prominent surveyed tree at a height of 219 meters above the mean sea level. Now, this is your question number 2. You can see this, right? Please observe carefully so that we shouldn't waste time. We have 8 papers to solve. And after that, I will try to take up for natural vegetation also, friends. Okay. Now, the question reads, what does this line represent? A, the state boundary. B, the taluka boundary. C, the international boundary. D, the district boundary. The correct answer for this question is the state boundary. So this line represents the state boundary. I shall show you the picture once again. So this line represents the state boundary. Now we go to the next. Look at this picture for question number 3. Look at this picture perfectly. Identify the red line and how does it cross the perennial canal? A, the cart track via a bridge. B, cart track via a causeway. C, pack track via a bridge. D, pack track via a causeway. And the correct answer for this question is it is a cart track via a bridge. Okay, so I will show you the picture once again so that you will remember this. This is what it was, and it is a cart track via a bridge. Now, look at this screen for question number 4. Observe carefully, ठीक से देखिएगा. And the question is, what has been built here to gain access to the earth dam from the metalled road? And your options are A, a double railway track. B, a single railway track. C, a raised embankment. D, road-like structure accessed by the irrigational department. And the correct answer for this question is, it is a road-like structure accessed by the irrigational department. I shall show you the picture once again. See, this is what is it. So it is a road-like structure, okay, accessed by the irrigational department. Now, coming to question number 5, look at the picture properly. Okay, look at it very properly. The question is, what mode of transportation would you use when traveling from settlement Hamadhya to the scattered settlement in the southwest? I repeat, what mode of transportation would you use when traveling from settlement Hamadhya to the scattered settlement in the southwest? And your options are A. Cart track, B. Bullock cart, C. Pack track, D. Pack animals. And the correct answer for this question is pack animals. So the mode of transportation that one can use while traveling from settlement Harmathia to the scattered settlement in the southwest would be pack animals. Now look at the screen again and answer the question. So the question is, what is special about this black line with circles? A. It is the main power line. B. It is a power line with poles unsurveyed. C. It is a power line with pylons. D. It is a power line with pylons surveyed. And the correct answer for this question is, the black line with circles is nothing but it is a power line with pylons surveyed. Okay, coming to the next, look on the screen again. This was what was the question we had done in the earlier video also, and there was some problem with the net, so we had to go offline. The question is, what religion is practiced in this area? A. Hinduism, B. Christianity, C. Islam, D. Jainism. And the correct answer for this question is Islam. So the religion that is practiced in this area is Islam. Now look on the screen for question number 8. You can see something being pointed out by the red arrow. So please focus on this. Okay. Identify and give the significance of this structure. A. Temple for worship. B. Rest house for rest. C. Inspection bungalow of or for government officials. And D. Chhatri for shade. And the correct answer for this question is Chhatri for shade. And look on the screen for question number 9. Okay. Look on the screen and point the pointer, the red pointer, because the question will be based on this. And the question is, the railway line shown in this map extract represents the dash. And the options are A, broad gauge, B, double gauge, C, single gauge, D, railway under construction. Answer me for this question. And the correct answer for this question is B. The railway line shown in this map extract represents the double gauge. Now for question number 10, look on the screen and the encircled areas, which are encircled in red ones. Okay? Look at this particular picture perfectly because the question is based on the same. And the question reads, give the full form of DEP and its formation. A. Depression formed by sheet erosion. B. Depression formed by gully erosion. C. Depression formed by wind erosion. D. Depression formed by rill erosion. And the correct answer for this question is, it's a depression formed by wind erosion. Now we go to the next question number 11. The chief characteristic feature of the Indian monsoon is dash. A. It is unevenly spread and sporadic in nature. B. It is relief in nature. C. There is a complete reversal of monsoons over the year. D. There is rainfall mainly over 3 months of the year. And the correct answer for this question is C. So the characteristic feature of the Indian monsoon is there's a complete reversal of monsoons over the year. Hi smart girl, how was your maths paper today? See, there's a big lag, I can understand. That's the reason perhaps I skip out your messages and I don't give you an instant reply. But please, please, please understand. Okay, there is a problem with the network here, and that's a reason throughout the day. I mean, right from afternoon, we have been struggling to, come live, but then we couldn't. So let us not waste time and go ahead. जितना possible है 8 papers है 8 papers we want to solve. So please cooperate. Okay, it was easy. The maths paper was easy. Good to know, smart girl. Come on, let's go ahead. Question number 12. Mangalore is warmer than Mumbai because dash. A. It has a continental type of climate. B. It receives lesser rainfall than Mumbai. C. It lies closer to the equator than Mumbai. D. It experiences the loop. And the correct answer for this question is C. It lies closer to the equator than Mumbai. That's the reason Mangalore is warmer than Mumbai. Now, coming to the next question. Question number 13. The western disturbances arrive in northwest India due to the dash. A. Westerly jet stream creating a low pressure area there. B. Easterly jet stream creating a low pressure area there. C. Cold winter temperature there. D. High pressure area created there on account of the low temperatures. And the correct answer for this question is A. The western disturbances arrive in northwest India due to the westerly jet stream creating a low pressure area there. Going ahead with question number 14, the El Nino effect is responsible for dash. I repeat, the El Nino effect is responsible for dash. A. The early arrival of the monsoons. B. The timely arrival of the monsoons. C. The late arrival of the monsoons. D. The increase in the moisture of the monsoons. And the correct answer for this question is C. The El Nino effect is responsible for the late arrival of the monsoons. Question number 15. The pressure trough is responsible for attracting these winds to India. A. The southeast trades. B. The northeast trades. C. The westerlies. D. The polar easterlies. And the correct answer for this question is southeast trades. Okay, so the pressure trough is responsible for attracting the southeast trades to India. Okay, ये points याद रखिएगा please. Going ahead to the question number 16, the pre-monsoon showers remain localized as dash. I repeat, the pre-monsoon showers remain localized as dash. And your options are A, they are convective showers, B, they are light showers, C, they are violent showers, D, they affect a large area. And the correct answer for this question is the pre-monsoon showers remain localized as they are convective showers. Going ahead with question number 17, study the climate data that's given and answer the questions that follow. And this is the data there. The months have been given from January to December. The temperatures have been given. It is 23.1 in January, 24.8 in February, 26.5 in March, 29.3 in April, 32 in May, 32.8 in June, 33.1 in July, 32.1 in August, 30.5 in September, 29.3 in October, 28.7 in November, and 26.1 in December. And the rainfall in centimeters is 15.3 centimeters in January, 10.1 in February, zero point 0.3 in March, 0.1 in April, 1.3 in May, 4.5 in June, 6.1 in July, 10.2 in August, 10.5 in September, 20.1 in October, 16.8 in November, 19.0 in December. Now I shall give you a minute so that you can see this coolly once again. And the question is, calculate the annual rainfall experienced by the station. And your options are A. 114.3 centimeters, B. 113.4 centimeters, C. 112.4 centimeters, D. 115.3 centimeters. So you have to calculate the annual rainfall experienced by this station. And the correct answer, come on, any guesses? Anyone? Come on, children. I'm waiting for you to answer. नहीं तो क्या फायदा आप आंसर नहीं करेंगे तो. Is A. 114.3 centimeters. Let's go ahead to question number 18. The retreating monsoon is a much slower process than its arrival due to dash. A. The gradual change in the temperatures. B. The abrupt change in the temperatures. C. The gradual change in the comparative pressure positions. D. The abrupt change in the comparative pressure positions. And the correct answer for this question is C. The retreating monsoon is a much slower process than its arrival due to the gradual change in the comparative pressure positions. Going ahead with question number 19. Arrange the following states on the basis of ascending dates of the onset of monsoon. First, Uttar Pradesh. Second, Kerala. Third, West Bengal. Fourth, Rajasthan. And the options given are A. 2314, B. 3214, C. 3124, D. 1234. And the correct answer for this question is A. 2314. That is first in Kerala, then in West Bengal, then in Uttar Pradesh, and then in Rajasthan. This is a onset of monsoon on the basis of ascending order. Okay. Going ahead, yes, Arushi Shah and Smart Girl, you're correct. Okay, we go ahead with question number 20. The scientific study of soil in their natural environment is called as dash. A. Petrology. B. Geology. C. Pedology. D. Ecology. And the correct answer for this question is pedology. So the scientific study of soil in their natural environment is called as pedology. Coming ahead to question number 21. Which of the following is not an in situ soil? A. Red soil. B. Alluvial soil. C. Black soil. D. Laterite soil. So which of this is not an in situ soil? And the correct answer for this question is B. Alluvial soil is not an in situ soil. going ahead, question number 22. Which process is defined as the removal of soluble salts, especially the bases and silica, from horizon A or the topsoil by percolating rainwater? A. Pedogenesis. B. Leaching. C. Lithification. D. Conglomeration. And the correct answer for this question is B. Leaching. So it is leaching, which is a process which involves the removal of soluble salts, especially the bases and silica, from the topsoil by percolating rainwater. Going to the next question, number 23. Which soil is found in the summits of the Western Ghats? A. Laterite soil. B. Black soil. C. Alluvial soil. D. Red soil. And the correct answer for this question is A. Laterite soil. So the soil that is found in the summits of the Western Ghats is laterite soil. Going ahead to the next question, number 24. Give another term associated with leaching. A. Acidification. B. Salinization. C. Desilication. D. Laterization. And the correct answer for this question is desilication. So another term associated with leaching is desilication. Okay, DED stands for removal. So it's a removal of the important salts. So it's desilication. Question number 25. Alluvial soil is best suited for the cultivation of dash. A. Fruits and vegetables. B. Tapioca and rubber. C. Oil seeds and pulses. D. Wheat, rice and jute. And the correct answer for question number 25 is wheat, rice and jute. So alluvial soil is best suited for the cultivation of wheat, rice and jute. Going to the next question, number 26. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? A. Zooming. B. Planting shelter belts. C. Constructing check dams. D. Contour bunding. And the correct answer for this question is A. Zooming. Zooming is not a method of soil conservation. Going ahead to question number 27. Forests found in areas which receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. And your options are A. Moist deciduous forests. B. Littoral forest. C. Tropical evergreen forest. D. Mountain forest. So which are the forests which receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall? And the correct answer for this question is C. So tropical evergreen forests receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. Going ahead to question number 28. Its wood is oily, durable, and scented and is found in high altitude regions. A. Pine. B. Sandalwood. C. Neem. D. Deodar. And the correct answer for this question is Deodar. So it is Deodar, the wood of which is oily, durable, and scented, and is found in high altitude regions. Going ahead to question number 29. These species of trees are used for making expensive furniture. A. Rosewood and shisham. B. Date palm and care. C. Semul and myrolylan. D. Jamun and canes. And the correct answer for this question is A. Rosewood and sesame are the species of the trees which are used for making expensive furniture. Going ahead to question number 30. Re-establishing a forest by planting trees in an area from which forest vegetation has been removed is dash. A. Deforestation. B. Afforestation. C. Social forestry. D. Reforestation. And the correct answer for this question number 30 is D. Reforestation. So, reforestation is re-establishing a forest by planting trees in an area from which forest vegetation has been removed. Okay. Very good, smart girl. Very good, Arushi Shah. Yes, Prasanna Darvekar. Welcome, dear. How was your maths paper today? I'm sure it must be good. Correct, Prasanna. Your answer for question number 30 is correct. We go ahead with question number 31. Sundari tree is used to make dash. अब सबको वो परम सुंदरी याद आने वाली है. I'm sure about it. है ना? So, Sundari tree is used to make dash. A. Musical instruments. B. Boats. C. Packing cases. D. Matchboxes. And the correct answer for this question is B. Boats. So, Sundari tree is used to make boats. So, आपकी परम सुंदरी याद रखना. Okay, darking boats and ये क्या था? Making boats. Okay, I can consider this to be a typo error. Question number 32. Natural tanks are commonly found in dash. A. Punjab. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Assam. D. Andhra Pradesh. Bolo. Natural tanks are commonly found in dash. And the correct answer for question number 32 is D. Andhra Pradesh. Students आपसे request है कि आप सिर्फ question number लिखिएगा because there is a lag. There is a big lag, so I at times don't understand what exactly is your answer. So अगर आप question number 31 को answer दे रहे हो तो 31 और आगे आपका option लिखिएगा so that I can understand. Question number 33. Artificial supply of water to the crops is termed as dash. A. Water supply. B. Irrigation. C. Cultivation. D. Crop production. So what should be the answer for question number 33? The correct answer obviously is irrigation. Artificial supply of water to the crops is termed as irrigation. Yes, correct Darking. Very good smart girl. Very good Arushi. Very good Prasanna. Perfect answer. We go ahead with question number 34. Well irrigation is most prominent in dash. A. Punjab, Haryana, UP and Bihar. B. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. C. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. D. Meghalaya, Sikkim, Nagaland and Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct answer for question number 34 is A. Punjab, Haryana, UP and Bihar are the places where most prominent well irrigation is found. Okay, going ahead to question number 35. Inundation canals are mainly drawn from dash. A. The Ganga. B. The Brahmaputra. C. The Satluj. D. The Godavari. Inundation canals are mainly drawn from dash. And the correct answer for question number 35 is Satluj. Going ahead to question number 36. This state has made it mandatory for every building to harvest rainwater. A. Tamil Nadu. B. Haryana. C. Meghalaya. D. Bihar. Mandatory is nothing but compulsory. So the correct answer for this question is A. Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is a state which has made it mandatory for every building to harvest rainwater. Very good, Arushi. Question number 37. Very good, smart girl. The area of land, very good, Prasanna. The area of land where water collects after the downpour of rain is termed as dash. A. Watershed. B. Catchment area. C. Aquifer. D. Percolation pits. And the correct answer for this question is B. Catchment area. So the area of the land where water collects after the downpour of rain is termed as catchment area. Going to the next question number 38. This mode of irrigation can irrigate lakhs of hectares single-handedly. A. Well irrigation. B. canal irrigation, C. drip irrigation, D. tank irrigation. हाय मशरूम, हाय देवांश. करेक्ट है देवांश आपका आंसर. मशरूम आपका भी आंसर करेक्ट है. कहाँ थे मशरूम जी इतने दिन? And the correct answer for this question is canal irrigation. So canal irrigation can irrigate lakhs of hectares single-handedly. Okay. Question number 39. Rainwater harvesting technique adopted in Rajasthan. A. Dongs. B. Keri. C. Johats. D. Pukur. Hi Prasad. And the correct answer for this question is Johats. So rainwater harvesting technique adopted in Rajasthan is Johats. Now coming to question number 40. In the Western Himalayas, water storing mechanism is called as dash. A. Khatri. B. Beolis. C. Bhandaras. D. Surangam. And the correct answer for this question is Khatri. So in the Western Himalayas, water storing mechanism is called as Khatri. Saudil Hassan, correct. Prasad, correct. अरे क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखो भाई तो फिर समझेगा आप कौन से क्वेश्चन को आंसर दे रहे हो. So friends, with this we have solved the first practice paper for the evening on geography. Within 5 minutes, max 10 minutes, we shall be starting with the second paper solving session. See, these papers will certainly help you so that you can go with a confidence tomorrow. All those who have missed the earlier questions, meantime, can go to the video playlist and definitely, you can see and watch this video, listen to this and solve. Okay, within 10 minutes max, we are starting up with the second paper solving session. We have 8 papers in total to solve. Okay, so please hang on and see you within 10 minutes. If there is a net issue, okay, it might be here and there 1 or 2 minutes, but please up hang on hona jana nahi, so that we can revise and study together. Thank you so much. Keep studying. All those who have missed up the earlier thing, please go back to the playlist and ensure that you are watching up the video again.